Hello guys, welcome to
Taking Risk in the Kitchen.
And today Juliet is going to show you how to do
chocolate chip cookies.
Exactly, chocolate chip cookies.
And I snuck myself into the kitchen just to teach you how to make this recipe.
Exactly. Well, actually, she wasn't invited to do this recipe, but she just decided to sneak in. Today, we're going to show you how easy and fast, delicious, actually, that was the word, delicious to make this recipe. So she will be showing everything. Juliet, if the guys are already following us, what we're gonna say?
Just hit that good like button right next to us over here and hit it like this. Boom!
Exactly.
And make it as blue as you can.
Exactly.
So then, guys, and if you are one of the subscribers,
why not?
Everything 5 seconds is no rocket science, and you're free to hit it whenever you like.
Exactly.
And also, it's right down here.
You'll be tuning to all our videos coming twice a week. So guys, don't forget that the recipe ingredients are always in the box in here. Now I think you are a bit tired to be listening to all this intro. I think you need to see the recipe and the cook how it's gonna be done. Follow us.
Hey guys, for the first thing on our recipe is 100 grams of granulated sugar. Just put it into the bowl. Then we add 100 grams of brown sugar. Then we add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we mix it up with our whisk. The reason we're using a whisk is to break down the brown sugar. Okay, then now we add 115 grams of melted butter. All this in the cup, then we just pour it in. Mix again. Okay guys, now we add 1 egg. Whisk it. Then we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour it in. Need to get everything in. And if there's some remaining on the spoon, now we whisk it. Okay, now we add 180 grams of flour. It's not 118, it's 180. Mix it. Okay, so if the whisk was a bit hard, just use a spatula for this. Okay guys, now we add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Everything in. Mix it. Okay, now we add 200 grams of chocolate chips. One of the best parts. Now we have to mix very, very well. Now I'm gonna let it chill for 20 minutes in the fridge And then we can just like build our cookies after that. Okay guys, I'm going to put on the last piece of our dough. I know we don't have 24, but it's the last piece. Then now we're going to put it into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Okay guys, now that it's done and it's out of the oven for 15 minutes, now we go on to the best part, the tasting.
That's tasty. So we're going to try our amazing cookies. Juliet and I, we have the cookies in here. Look at that. So nice, soft, and the chocolate is melted. Shall we try it?
Yes.
Let's go for it. Are you waiting for me to talk with my mom food?
You ready?
Guys, as in every video, she keeps telling me off for talking with my mouth full. But you guys know that's delicious and I can't hold it. I'm sorry, I really can't help it to keep eating and talking to you. But this time we will be even faster. I'm gonna eat my cook, and if you want it, leave your like, follow us in the video and try it at home. Don't forget to comment below if you like the recipe, if you're gonna try it. Now, see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.